kind of hate that question, but I think that like relying on your work to speak for itself doesn't work nowadays, especially if you're working remote. The people who are judging you and your worth, you can get to know them and they can get to know you and they understand your thought process and you can talk through decisions. I don't think they'll be asking that question. I'm sure a lot of people are asked to present data. So just advocating for there being data for tracking metrics will help you in the end promote yourself. But I hate when it's like, we've hired you and we're going to pay you, but now you have to prove your worth, whatever.
Yep. Yep. Cindy?
Oh, sorry. I'll just add my nickname for the longest time for all kinds of clients was Mr. Fix-It. So I at one client, I was even Professor Fix-It. So for me, it's like making problems go away, and that's like a very broad definition. And sometimes you can make problems go away by fixing the actual problem. And sometimes you can make problems go away when identifying whether there is actually a problem. So that's just my 2 cents for today.